Hello everyone, I will be discussing the product life cycle, which explain the different stage a product goes through, from its introduction to its decline, and how businesses use strategies for each stage. Strategic planning, the cycle of product life. From a strategic perspective, looking at where your product or service is in its life cycle helps determine action in each of the 4 P's: product, price, promotion, and place, related to your target or customers. The following are the 4 product life cycle phases. Introduction. This phase provides a period of slow growth with non-existent profit because of the extensive promotional costs. Example include third-generation mobile phone, e-commerce, and iris-based personal identity cards. This is when the product is newly launched in the market. The product offer basic version, price, may use price skimming, high initial price or penetration pricing, low price to attract buyers. For promotion, heavy advertising and promotional activities. For place, limited distribution. In this stage, companies can use influencer marketing or product sampling to increase awareness. Next is growth. Growth is a period of rapid market acceptance and developing profits. Some example of growth are MP3 players, email, breathable, synthetic fabric, and smart card. This is the period of rapid market acceptance and rising profit. Product, improve features and quality. Price, adjust price based on demand and competition. For promotion, broaden advertising to reach more segments. And place, expand distribution channel. Companies should focus on differentiating their brand and building customer loyalty at this point. And next is for maturity. This phase is a period of slow growth, level profit, and increasing marketing expenditures to defend the product position against competitors. Example of maturity include personal computers, faxes, cotton, t-shirt, and credit card. In this stage, sales growth slow down as the market becomes saturated. For product, add new features, design, or variations. Price, offer, discount, or promotion to attract repeat buyers. Promotion, focus on brand loyalty and emotional connection. Place, widen distribution or improve availability. Companies can launch limited edition version of rebranding campaign to maintain customer interest. And next is decline. Decline is a period of falling sales and profits. Example include handwritten letters, checkbooks, and CD players. At this stage, sales and profit begin to fall down to market saturation or new innovation. For product, simplify or phase out weaker models. Price, reduce price to clear remaining inventory. And promotion, minimize spending, focusing on loyal users. And place, limit distribution to profitable channel. Instead of ending the product, some companies reinvent it. For example, vinyl records returning as collectibles. The figure provides an example to help you develop action for each of the 4 P's, depending on where your product is in product life cycle. For each target customer, follow these tips. Determine your market goal for the target customer group. Determine what phase of product life cycle your product or service is in. Develop an action plan that address product, price, promotion, and distribution. Product life cycle marketing strategies table. So, the introduction is new, focus on creating awareness and encouraging people to try it. Price is usually high with limited outlet and heavy promotion. For growth, sales rise quickly, add new features, expand outlet, and attract more customers. keep prices competitive and promote to a wider market. And for maturity, sales slow down, compete with others by improving the product and lowering price, make it widely available and highlight brand difference. And decline, sales drop, reduce marketing costs, cut prices, and keep only profitable product in a few outlets. New product development. New product development, or NPD, is a process of bringing a new product to the marketplace. Your business may need to engage in this process due to changes in customer preference, increasing competition, advance in technology, or to capitalize on a new opportunity. Innovative business thrive by understanding that their market wants, making smart product improvements, and developing new product that exceed their customer expectation. It ensures a business stay competitive and meet changing customer needs. So, ang NPD is essential for survival, especially when customer preference change, competitors introduce innovation, or technology evolves rapidly. So, businesses that innovate continuously are more likely to succeed and grow. New product can be product that your business had never made or sold before but have been taken to market by others. Product innovation were created and brought to the market for the first time. They may be completely original product or existing product that you have modified and improved. NPD is not limited to existing businesses. New businesses, sole traders, or even freelancers can forge a place in the market by researching, developing, and introducing new or even one-off product. Similarly, you don't need to be an inventor to master NPD. You can also consider purchasing new product through licensing or copyright acquisition. Even a small improvement like eco-friendly packaging or new flavors can be considered product innovation. New product development process. There are probably as many varieties of new product development system as there are types of companies, but most of them share the same basic step or stage. They are just executed in different ways. Below, we have divided the process into 8 stages, grouped into 3 phases. Many of the activities are performed repeatedly throughout the process, but they become more concrete as a product idea is refined and additional data is gathered. For example, at each stage as a process, the product team is asking, is this a viable product concept? And then next is the new product development. Is not just for big companies. Start up small businesses, freelancers, or individual entrepreneurship can all develop and sell new product. You can also acquire rights to sell a product through licensing or copyright agreements if you're not an inventor. And that's all. Thank you.